Ezra, so nice to meet you this week. We got a lot done at our first lesson. If you decide to carry on with this, I do highly suggest stringing your guitar backwards or finding a left-handed guitar that's more comfortable for you. So, let's review the parts, right? This is a video that I send to my students every week. It is yours forever. It will always be up. And yeah, you can always review it anytime you want. And you'll get one every time you get a lesson. All right, cool. So, moving on, the different parts of the guitar. So, we have a headstock. We have a neck. We have a body. We have a sound hole, a bridge, okay? On top of the neck, we have what's called the fretboard. Our frets, which are the little boxes on top of the fretboard, all right? And then we have our dots inside of our frets that help guide us. So your first dot is on 5, all right? So you have dots on 5, 7, 9, and then 2 dots on 12, all right? So if I'm like, Ezra, I would like you to find the 4th fret. You know that it is the one right before your first dot. Cool. We have 6 strings. E, A, D, G, B, E. Eddie ate dynamite. Goodbye, Eddie. It's a lesson in strings and also a lesson in not eating dynamite. All right, cool. So we have that, all the different parts. I think you got that down. Pick. So when we hold our pick, we want to cross our thumb over our pointer finger, okay? And we kind of hold it so you have like an arrowhead almost pointing out, like a little triangle, right? And it keeps a nice grip on it, so you don't want to be like this or like this. You want to keep a nice crossover thumb and pointer finger grip on that pick. All right, so let's take the bottom string, whether it's the thick one, right, because you're playing it upside down, or the thin one, if you strung it upside down, you know, if you restrung it, I should say. Just pick your bottom string, whichever one it is, thick or thin, doesn't matter. I want you to find your 9th fret, okay? And we're going to put our pointer finger on our 9th fret, all right, which is a dot, okay? Now we're gonna get a note out of that with our pick going down. We will then put our middle finger next while keeping our pointer finger on, okay? And you're gonna stretch your fingers out. Put your middle finger on, keep both of them on and squeeze. Use your thumb on the back, tuck your arm in, sit up straight. I know I'm kind of leaning into my computer, but sit up straight, all right? And then we're gonna pluck up with that one, all right? Ring finger now, okay? You know where this goes. And we're gonna pluck down. Pinky up. And then go backwards. Keep them all pressed down, thumb on the back. Down with your pick. Lift your pinky up. Your ring finger will be ready to play. Up. Same thing. Lift ring finger. Middle finger's ready. Lift middle finger. Pointer finger's ready. So it's a matter, Ezra, of stretching your fingers, right? As well as getting your pick to go down and up. Okay? And we're only worrying about one string right now. That's it. But you can try this exercise one string at a time anywhere on the guitar. And the further down you go, the further you have to stretch. Cool. All right, so we have a couple song ideas. I would like you to maybe, like I said, if you decide to move forward with your lessons, to come up with a couple cool song ideas. Whether they're songs from games, like 4 or 5 songs. Like the title would be good. All right. Once again, very, very nice to meet you. Good focus. We got a lot done at our first lesson, and we'll see if we carry on with this. All right. Until then, have a good week, and I hope you had a good basketball game.